If you want $10,000 fast, we're going to dive into three paths to get there and which one works best. Ideally, we'd all like to reach 10,000 with something quick, easy, and immediate. But considering what's realistic, most options disappear. What's left are just a few paths, and they're definitely not equal. Let's break these down, and by the end, you'll know the best way that works for most people to build up 10K fast, realistically, and safely. As a quick heads up, this is for educational purposes and not financial advice. When you strip it down, there are only three broad directions people can take. You could try to save it, you could try to win it, or you could try to earn it. That's really it. Same overall goal, but completely different outcomes depending on the path. Saving sounds responsible, and over time, it does work, but the speed can be low as small amounts add up slowly. Even consistency takes time to show results. So, under a tight deadline, this path usually lags behind. Then there's the win it mindset, fast moving opportunities, big swings with low odds, similar to gambling. And yes, sometimes it can work for some people, but more often than not, it goes the other direction. And the odds are not great that it will succeed. Under pressure, that uncertainty gets amplified and the odds decrease even more. Because speed and risk tend to move together, it's not the ideal path for most. The third path is earning it directly, trading time, effort, or skills for money. It's not passive, but it can work well under urgency. The more that you do, the more it can produce, especially over short windows of time. If you leverage unique skills, you could amplify your earnings potential as well. Within that third path, speed usually comes from solving immediate problems, things people are already willing to pay for right now. Clear value, fast turnaround. That pattern shows up again and again because urgency on one side creates opportunity on the other. There's also a mental shift here. $10,000 sounds massive, but broken down, it becomes smaller units. Repeated outcomes instead of one big event will still get you there. Same total, different perspective. And that changes how people approach it. In reality, speed usually means more intensity, more effort in less time, more activity, more repetition, not long term systems building, but a more short term focus. That's the trade off most people run into. So, when people talk about making $10,000 or any amount of money quickly, those are the trade offs to carefully weigh: time, risk, effort. For most people, focusing on the effort path is the best balance towards generating income fast, safe, and reliably. But I'm curious to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you want more simple breakdowns like this, clear, realistic, and straight to the point, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.